made it to Wyoming.
Yay! Wyoming makes me hungry.
He sees all the cows in the pastures and he gets hungry.
I see the cows and then I see potatoes next to them. You heard of hangry? That's hungry hallucination.
Yeah. How many miles? We're almost to our destination.
Looks like 36.
36 miles. There's nobody on this road.
Yay, that's my favorite kind of road.
Mine too.
Oh, there's one person.
There's one car coming this way.
It reminds me of Oklahoma.
What?
All this, except for the mountains in the background. All the rolling prairies and stuff. Rolling plains reminds me of Oklahoma. And the cows. With taters. There she goes.
Uh-oh. Oh, what gear I'm in. Did the cows get loose?
What's that?
Did the cows get loose?
I don't know.